Hi guys, it's Janet. Welcome back to my channel. I'm filming an intro to my next video. I have a lot of questions about how I store all my decorations, and I'm sharing that with you today. So I'm basically kind of like cleaning a little and taking down all my Halloween decorations. I went a little crazy with Halloween decorations this year, and I have a lot of them. So I have a couple of tips. My tip number one is I like to start with a clean house. So I kind of like was cleaning in the beginning of the video. Two, you kind of have to organize all your stuff in one space to see like what you have, how many containers you need, if you bought new stuff. If not, you probably already have containers, but just to organize everything back. So next year when you pull it out, it's super easy to put back up and decorate with. And then three, have a spot where you know you're gonna put all the stuff. In the actual video, you'll see we installed these floating shelves in the garage, which helped tremendously with all the decorations I have. You could also rent a small storage space, which I might actually have to do this year because I have so much decorations, unfortunately. But I went online and found one for like $25. It's like climate controlled, it's really close by, and I might go with that route just because I have stuff that can't fit in bins. So my garage is multi-purpose, so I use it for parking my car and I also use it as a gym. So I think those are my tips. Just realize I take forever to clean, so this process, I worked on it yesterday and a little bit today, and now I'm done. So let's go ahead and get into the video. I feel like the best thing to do is show you everything that I do to get started. So today, not only am I cleaning, but I'm organizing all my Halloween decor and putting it away, and I'm going to decorate a little bit for Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving's coming up really quickly, and I want to put a couple of decorations for Thanksgiving, and then I'll do Christmas. So I put these sheets on the couch so my dog can lay on them, and I wash them. That is from our bedroom. Sean wants me to get rid of it, but there's some evidence of Halloween that I need to put away. And then this is the nightmare of cleaning that I have to do. The kitchen isn't too terrible, but I do need to clean it up, and I want to sweep and mop the floor. We did take down that black Halloween tree that you guys have seen and started putting things back in boxes. This is pretty much all the decor from the house that I need to put in containers. And I did buy some containers, so I'll share them with you. They're in my garage. This is the mess of everything. This is my garage. It's a multi-purpose garage for us because I use it as a gym. I have a treadmill and weights there. I do work out in here a lot. I also have a Peloton bike. If you follow me on Instagram, I post about that there. But anyway, I also can park in here, except for right now our backyard is getting some work done, so the cushions are here so they don't get ruined with like dirt and dust. And then these are the new containers that I purchased at Target. These bigger ones, and then I have these older ones, some older ones as well. Since I bought a lot more decor this year, I'm gonna have to put them away in these containers. Hopefully I can make it work. A lot of people ask me where I store my decorations because I have so many, and I put them up here in clear bins, and then they're kind of hidden away from me. I mean, not really hidden away, but they're in a good spot. They're not in the way. They're not like on the floor or anything. I still get to use my garage for parking and working out. And then I also have this side cluster that I need to organize. But yeah, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put everything away, throw trash, get rid of stuff, and make everything look nice and clean and ready to decorate for Thanksgiving. The first thing I like to do when I'm gonna clean is light some candles so it starts to smell good. Next, I like to put a good playlist on so I am enjoying cleaning as much as possible. So I'm listening to 80s lately, and if you're interested in following me, I'll put my Spotify below, but I've been feeling the 80s vibe lately. 80s mix. I have cleaned up the kitchen. I sped it up pretty much because I am slow at cleaning, guys. I don't know. And Sean just got home and he put that there, so But now it's time to put all the stuff into the containers and organize.
I feel so close to you right now. It's a force field. I wear my heart up on my sleeve like a big deal. Your love pours down on me, surround me like a waterfall. There's no stopping.
We had an actual like laundry room.
You're gonna be on this video. Okay, I have fit. Sean's doing laundry. He's so feisty. I have finished. I put everything in these 3 containers, and those will go above our garage like I showed you. Now I'm showing you the finished product. I didn't record me mopping and all that stuff. I feel like those videos might get too long, I don't know. But basically the house is completely clean. I have put everything in its location where it should be, or moving to the final location, but the house in general is spotless right now. And it is time to get ready to decorate for Thanksgiving. Thank you so much for watching this clean with me, put your decorations away. I don't know what I'm gonna call this video, but thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.